Hi, beloveds. Guess what? I'm driving. Oh my goodness, I'm multitasking because I haven't done a video for y'all in a while, and I'm like, no more excuses, no more being too busy. And I learned how to like put my phone in a way that, look, so I'm fine, I'm driving. But I wanted to say that, so I've been going to a lot of networking things recently in the last few months. I like to do them for many reasons. Not that I'm always looking for something, but I do believe that you build your network before you need it. And one of the challenges is many people start to go out and network when they need something. And by then I don't want to say it's too late, but you triple, if not more, the challenge of it all. So I go out and I build my network. I make connections. Even if I'm not trying to, get something out of it, which often I'm not, I just like to connect and then I give. So there may be someone who needs something and I know someone and I just like to exercise my networking skills and all that. But the point that I want to share with you today is many times when we're networking, or when we're in need of a job, or we're in need of a connection for something we're looking for or something we want, I find that some of the folks that I work with, career coaching clients, they say, I need to go out and network more because I need to meet more people. But the thing is, they're not leveraging the network they have. They're going out trying to meet more people, but you haven't even truly built your relationships with those that you already have in your network. So my point is that there's something called like a warm lead. Warm lead is someone you know already, and then a cold lead is maybe someone you don't know. Maybe you're just talking to them through a direct message in LinkedIn or something, or maybe it's someone you know who's making a connection for you. But the people who are most likely to help you or to really put an effort into helping you get what you're looking for or get the support that you need are people who already know, like, and trust you. And 9 times out of 10, those people are the ones who are already in your network. So my point is this: before you go out trying to meet more people, trying to go to more networking events and getting yourself all anxious and nervous and whatever, you know what I mean, right? Leverage the network you already have. Look at your phone, your phone contact list, and, reach out to those who you are already connected to. Some reasons that can be helpful is, number one, it's not as nerve-wracking because you already know them, you've met them. They may wonder like, oh, this is out of the blue, but, good to maintain those connections. And then another reason is because they already know, like, and trust you to an extent, they're more likely to do something about it. They're also more likely to care about you as a person because you're a friend, you're a colleague, and they want to help you. So I'm going to end this video, but the point is, before you go out to meet more people, think to yourself, how are you already leveraging the network you already have? If you're not reaching out to those you are already connected to, then don't waste your time going to meet new people until you be a good steward of those relationships you already have. Okay? I've seen it work very well. Very well. All right, that's all for now. Get back to driving now. Bye, beloveds. Oh, if you have questions about this, message me, DM me. You know how to get in touch with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of the day and happy networking.